Did you like that?
Hmm?
You like that?
Yeah.
What is this?
Fish.
Fish. Dilis.
Chilies.
Yeah. Can you eat now?
But it's hot.
It's hot.
Can you blow it?
No, it's blue by the fan. Now it's not hot. It's okay now.
It's meat on it?
Yummy. Dilis.
Oh no.
Eh, alam namin nun. Ito na, kanya-katan.
Hmm?
Alam namin nun.